Bonjour David.
Bonjour.
Comme la saison passée, le PSG va finir deuxième de sa poule, va se qualifier pour les huitièmes de finale de la Ligue des Champions. Mais on a le sentiment que dans le jeu, en tout cas vu des tribunes, que dans le jeu, le PSG est meilleur que la saison passée. Est-ce que sur le terrain, tu as la même impression?
Yes, I want to. You don't think now about the last year. You just think about this year. We are doing well. We qualify in the second position of the group. For sure, it'll be a difficult game in the next round. But now you just think about tomorrow to play against a strong team, very good players, very good coach. So let's play tomorrow with the same responsibility, with the same football to win the game.
Bonjour David.
Bonjour.
Un petit mot sur un compatriote brésilien, Lucas. Récemment, le coach a déclaré qu'il avait eu sa chance et qu'il n'a pas su la saisir. Est-ce que vous le sentez touché ou toujours motivé à l'idée de s'affirmer dans un club comme le Paris Saint-Germain où il se sent un peu dépassé par cette situation?
I think everybody has credibility from the coach. The coach give us motivation, try to help. Everybody has opportunity to play. Lucas is an amazing player, amazing guy, amazing professional. Try to learn every day. Like me, I love to learn, and my part of one of the leaders of the group is to try to help also. Lucas is doing well, he's doing better the other season, and for me he's have an amazing talent.
Bonjour David, juste devant vous. On vous voit souvent sourire, rarement faire la tête. Est-ce que vous êtes un homme heureux au PSG et un homme heureux à Paris, tout plus simplement?
J'ai pas compris, pardon. Doucement. Au français, va venir.
Vous souriez beaucoup. Est-ce que vous êtes un homme heureux au PSG et un homme heureux dans la ville de Paris?
I don't need to speak, everybody knows. I'm like that. When I took the decision to come here, it was a right decision, and today I'm very, very happy to be here, and I just need to say thank you to everybody. Even you guys, I love to speak with you guys. I'm joking. Thank you, coach, for the opportunity.
David, est-ce que vous estimez que l'expérience de cette dernière saison en Ligue des Champions est un plus cette saison? Est-ce que vous êtes meilleur? Est-ce que vous avez appris grâce aux dernières saisons?
I think we are better this season. This is because you are working the right way. It's not too easy. It's not easy to win the Champions League. It's not easy to play against the best teams in the world. But I think this season we are doing better than last season because of this, because of the experience, because this team has, we can keep the same team during more years, the same players. So, and I hope this season we can do better about the results also, because if we lose in the next round, everybody will speak we're not better than the last season. So I hope you can go far and win this competition, because it's a dream for everybody.
Bonjour David.
Ah.
Vous êtes désormais la seule équipe européenne invaincue. Et je voulais savoir ce que toi tu en penses et ce que tu penses de la dynamique de ton club.
It's the only French team in Europe. No.
Undefeated.
Madrid, on n'a pas gagné Real Madrid.
Never?
Ah d'accord,
Oh.
championnat.
Ah. Yeah. I forget that. No, if we are doing well, working well, but it's not how it starts. It's not about the beginning. It's about how finish.
David, o time de Shakhtar é um time com muitos brasileiros. Vai ser mais difícil para você ser mais agressivo?
Pas de portugais, s'il vous plaît.
Ok.
Ça n'a
Est-ce
pas
que c'est
très
plus
clair.
difficile pour vous de jouer contre cette
Non,
équipe?
il parle bien portugais. Hein?
Ah,
Pas
muito
portugais.
obrigado, David.
Pas portugais, mano. Oubliez, pas portugais.
Vai ser mais difícil para você ser mais agressivo com o time de Shakhtar por sua história de jogadores brasileiros? Merci.
Fala bem português mesmo. I speak English for everybody listening. Yeah, it's difficult. Has amazing Brazilian players in the other side, a lot of quality. I love the coach also. The philosophy the Shakhtar play football is amazing. So it'll be a difficult game. It'll be difficult to play against my friends, but I have 90 minutes to forget then and to play how I want to play. Thank you. Congratulations for the Portuguese, my friend. Better than my French.
One question from Ukrainian journalist, David.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Question for Brazilian players in Shakhtar. What Brazilian player is your best friend in Shakhtar, and what do you think about Alex Teixeira? Maybe it's most powerful player in Shakhtar now.
He's doing an amazing season. You're right. He's, I think, in the best moment of his career and in the Shakhtar team. My friends, I think, is all of them, all the Brazilians. I think we are like there's a connection. I know everybody. I just hope they cannot play well tomorrow.
Dernière question, s'il vous plaît.
Bonjour David, Gafar Darawan de Coursa News de Kurdistan Irak.
Bonjour.
En fait, bonjour. Une question que je vous posais. Est-ce que pour toi, quel match c'est difficile contre Shakhtar Donetsk demain ou contre Lyon dimanche qu'il arrive?
Tomorrow will be difficult, and the next game will be difficult. But we just can speak about the last game and the next one. So tomorrow will be a difficult game against a fantastic team, like I told you. So we need to be focused. You need to be in the top level if you want to win.
Merci, on passe aux questions pour Laurent Blanc, s'il vous plaît.